What's up, today? So let's do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see on the lower time frame, we can find a significant trading opportunity on gold. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold, starting with monthly time frame. Now, as you can see, this is the monthly candle which is closing after 1.5 days, but what we see that this current month gold was bullish. Now, in this long-term bearish market on gold, as you can see, this is a long-term bearish market. Starting from here, there was a big impulse followed by this correction. Now, if we take our Fibonacci, we see that gold exactly retraced 38.2% Fibonacci, and from that level, we have seen that gold primarily bounced to the downside. When this monthly candle is closing, there is a very important zone that we need to look at. Let's look at weekly time frame to see, in fact, the price what is doing. Now, on the weekly perspective, what we have seen that primarily after this doji, as soon as the market opened, we have seen that the price primarily has gone up, has broken this weekly high, and now again came back down, tested the low of the weekly. What is likely to happen? As you can see on the weekly perspective, the price action is still bullish. If you see this weekly impulse, there is a strong impulse followed by 2 weeks green, 2 weeks red, giving us a potential strong bullish momentum in this market. If we take our Fibonacci for weekly perspective, we see that this market in fact created almost 38.2% Fibonacci, not there but still there. That is a sign that this market is a strong momentum, highly bullish momentum at this point. So where we can expect this market to go bullish again? What I think that, as you can see, the price just came to the opening and closing of the weekly doji. I think that this market might come a little down further to test this level, at least half of this weekly week that has not been tested properly. What I think that at some point we could see during the news gold to come back and test this support properly, and then to go long from here. Now, if we look at daily perspective, we see that gold, in fact, showing also on the daily a bullish move. Starting with this one, as you can see, this is a middleman, a strong bullish candle on the daily, grab liquidity from here, and then what we have seen that gold created this middleman strong bullish momentum, followed by another green candle, followed by this doji. So what we see that on the daily perspective, the price from this previous resistance zone turned support, penetrated and created this bullish candle. Now, as you can see on the daily, this is the long wick has been created. Let's see how much it has created. We see that exactly half of this daily doji long wick is where we see that weekly support. And what I think that gold is likely to do is that gold is likely to come back here to test this previous support zone, and then to finally go bullish. So what we can expect at some point to see gold again coming back during the news to test this level properly, where there will be a daily 20 EMA and then retest, and then we could see finally gold might be going up. So if we look at the intraday perspective, on the 4 hour, we see that the price action is very interesting. If you look at this impulse here, from here we saw a strong liquidity grab created this impulse. Now after this impulse, gold is creating an expanding triangle. If you closely look, you see that the price is expanding, creating a higher high and lower low. So when we see this kind of price action, what we could see that gold again going up to test the high of this resistance, and then to come back again low of this resistance, and then to go bullish. One probability. Another probability is for gold to bounce from this level and then come back again to fall back to this support, and then to go bullish from here. As this is forming this expanding triangle, to go bullish we need either a false breakout along this zone, a strong false breakout, and then a strong bullish move, or we need to see gold is coming back to this level of support, where this support is meeting together with this weekly support, and this is the zone that we will be waiting for potential bullish setup on gold. If we see that the price has come to test this level during the news and created a strong bullish price action from this support, we'll go long. Otherwise, if we see that gold has gone up instead in this level and then created a false breakout, has given us a strong bearish price action along this zone, then we'll consider shorting from this resistance gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you will be trading gold. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.